Fine. We are going to do a probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On April 21st, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer conducted a business check at a convenience store. Law enforcement officers observing surveillance saw two males engaging in hand-to-hand transactions and leaning into the passenger side window of the black sedan. The law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant, the driver of the black sedan, and observed marijuana in plain view in the cup-holder vehicle and carried out a probable cause search. The law enforcement officer found a baggie in the cup holder.
All right. Pause right here. Notice how the officer already had probable cause before searching the vehicle. That's huge in legal terms because it means the evidence they found is admissible in court. Now, quick question for you all. Have you ever wondered how much plain view really affects cases like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you have guessed this counts as probable cause?
To contain a green leafy substance identified as marijuana. The approximate weight of marijuana was 0.427 ounces.
Two males have a hand-to-hand transaction.
Yes, Your Honor.
They get into the car.
Yes, Your Honor. They're speaking.
Officer goes to the car.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where's she?
She's the driver, Your Honor.
She's the driver.
That's correct.
Ms. Washington, we're going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. Can you run her license, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? Okay, I can have you fill out an application. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. I need to know everything about you, what kind of car you drive, what kind of income you have coming in, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify.
Eligible, Your Honor.
Okay, you're not allowed to drive unless you also have liability insurance, car insurance. You understand that is also a condition.
Yes,
I'll have Deputy Miranda give you an application. I'll have you get with Victoria for a reset and then just take a seat for me and take a look at the application. Hi, Lori.
Hey, Judge, Mr. Mendoza, I got a plea. Francisco Mendoza.
Good morning,
Judge, he
Judge.
wants to show you his ID for where he works.
This is where I work, sir.
Great.
I've been out of
Out of trouble.
I've been snapping my hands.
He just got out of the mental hospital on day before yesterday.
All we want are our streets to be safe. And you need to understand that the type of case that you have now, the burglary of a motor vehicle, one of two things is if you continue, one of two things can happen. Number one, you're asking to get shot dead because people like their cars and they like their guns. And you mess with the wrong person. I can't tell you how many times we read of someone, something like this, they run away and they shoot them in the back. Really. When that happens, it's over. There's no coming back. Number one. Number two, if you continue with this type of case, they can hit you with a felony. And then you're looking at years instead of days. I'm just telling you of the possibilities. That's why you think before you act. Because when you don't, that's when you end up in jail. You see what I mean? You work hard, put your heart into it, you can do damn near anything in this life. You know what I mean? So you're charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 21 days in.
Here's where it gets intense. The judge is explaining all the rights the defendant is giving up by pleading guilty. From losing the right to a trial to potential immigration consequences, this is life-altering stuff. Imagine making a decision like this in just a few minutes. If you were in their shoes, would you take the plea or fight it? Think fast, because in court, time is never on your side.
Jail credit for the 7 days that you've done. You need to understand that this is going to go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Is this what you want to do? From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. You pick up another case. I'm telling you, it's a 90-day minimum from now on. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf,
Sure.
confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you can never change this. Do you understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense? Are guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, send you to it. Good luck, sir. Keep working, man. I'll roll your court costs. They won't owe anything. All right.
On
Thanks.
Mr. Rolock, he was sent down because I had reset him, But I did get in touch before he was sent down to his father. Can I bring him back tomorrow and get him?
Of course.
Okay.
Whoa, you gotta hold it. Go that way. You're good.
Right
here.
You gotta hold it, Dad?
Mm-hmm. His
Like,
stepfather. Yeah.
Real dad?
No, his stepfather. It's his baby brother's father.
Okay, is this the dude that he was talking about?
Mm-hmm. And I spoke with him. He said he would help him out. He gave me his address. I have his phone number. So I'll call him back today and tell him.
And he can stay at that, he can stay at that house? Okay. Should we put a monitor on him? What do you think?
I don't think so.
I think tomorrow we can address the condition. Because
Yeah.
you're the one who's
Okay.
present.
I definitely want to test him because I want to make sure he's not using, take care, man. Okay, yeah, well, we'll talk tomorrow, Lori.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
So what are we doing?
This is the case that was transferred from court 16. It was put on the docket today. You already knew about it, but it's just that he's here.
We knew that they were gonna file it,
Yes,
right?
uh-huh.
Okay. I think we already have conditions on him.
Judge, the new case that was transferred from 16, there's not even a bond in the system. So that's why.
I mean, I'm showing there's $100 bond.
Are you looking at, let's see,
The 255-9015.
right, but a bond wasn't posted. It's set.
Okay, so we'll give him another PR bond
Uh-huh.
and then all the conditions that we have now, we'll have on him.
Does he need to re-sign those conditions?
Yeah, he'll have to sign.
Okay.
We'll he'll have to sign the bond too.
Okay.
So just don't let him leave. She's gonna call you up to sign a bunch of stuff and then after that, you guys can get together. Okay.
I have Mr. Anderson on docket, Your Honor.
Ready?
I am ready.
Am I calling you, Mom?
Mr. Anderson? You gave us a short time frame to get back, Your Honor. We made it back.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Anderson. Come on up. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 3 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up.
Yes, sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, there's no turning back.
Yes, sir.
Is this what you want to do?
Sir,
How do you plead to the offense?
see,
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to send you to it. I'll roll your court costs so you won't owe anything. Good luck,
Yes,
sir. Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Please.
It would be excused.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Good morning, Mr. Manetta. So you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor, so you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 1 year in jail to be probate. 1 year in jail with credit for 241 days that you have already served. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record, and this now makes 2. What happens on the next one? What happens on the next one?
Bad things.
Hmm?
Bad things.
Yeah. Prison. You're looking at a minimum of 2 years, a maximum of 10 years in prison if you pick up another DWI. And I'm going to tell you now, you don't have to be stupid, falling down, piss-ass drunk to pick up a felony DWI. When they run your license with the faintest smell of alcohol, they're going to light you up and it's not going to go well. So don't get into a car, even if you've had a sip. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to this offense, like I said, it's going on your record and it will be there for the rest of your life.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is this what you want to do?
Guilty.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty. Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. And is it true or untrue that you had a .15 or above? Okay, true to the enhancement. I'm going to send you to the agreement. I'm going to suspend your license for a year. Do not drive until you get a license, and good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi,
Approaching. Good morning,
tell me
Judge.
something nice.
Michael Rohak. He's charged with 2 BMVs, which they have to rip, but it looks like he was just sleeping in somebody's car.
Oh, he's in jail?
Mm-hmm. It's asking for a PR bond.
If you want more.
Wow, they set the bond at 15,000. So he's on bond for a B&B, picks up another B&B.
Was he on bond? No, he was.
Yeah. He picked up a B&B 423.
And then got out.
It's a GOB, and then 5 days later now picks up a second B&B. Where's he going?
He has no place to go.
I'm not, if he's got a place to go, we can talk. But for
Okay.
me, just to let him out on the street and hope and pray that it doesn't happen, I mean, really?
And then I have Mr. Morris Stone.
Okay.
On the jail docket. He's charged with 2 criminal trespass, and they have done a mental health PTI. I want to do a mental health PTI on him, so I would need a PR bond. Okay.
Whatever you need.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
How did it turn to this? How did it turn into this?
Except we have to ask the guy with the car, because it wasn't an issue at all.
No. I mean, why on the street? Why on the street? There's nowhere else you can go?
I just don't have a place where I can go right now, that's all.
Do you have any family anywhere?
North side, there's no shelters, and then
No.
family,
Do you have family?
there's one family member that I can contact. I just haven't had a chance to.
Who?
Mr. Jesse James Valdez.
No. Is uncle, aunt, mom, dad, brother, sister, anyone? Who do you have in your life?
Mr. Jesse James Valdez, that's the only person that knows me from the time that I was
Where's mom
young
and dad?
to now.
Where are mom and dad?
My
This moment hits hard. The judge is essentially saying, I won't just let you go back on the streets without support. Notice how much weight is placed on having a stable person in your life. This isn't just about punishment, it's about preventing future crimes and keeping the community safe. Audience check. Do you think this is fair? Or is it overstepping? Let's discuss.
mom and dad both passed away.
Okay. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one little brother, but I don't really speak to him that often.
Why not?
I just haven't had a chance. I mean, I don't even have a telephonic or a phone, so I don't really just communicate.
If we
with
give
my dad.
you the ability to call, do you know the number?
Yes, sir.
I'd like you to try to call your brother. I want you have no one in this life that is going to bond you out. We gave you a free bond, asked you, hey man, be good. Don't pick up any new cases. You done picked up another BMV 5 days later. I'm not going to continue with the same thing. If you want to get out, the only way is if I know that you have stable and someone in your life that is going to look after you. And I'm not talking a girlfriend or just a passerby. No, I want someone real, like baby brother. And if you do, then we can talk about letting you out, but you go to that person. No dope, no alcohol, but I'm not letting you out just to go on the streets. This is what's happened. Do you understand? We've given you a great lawyer. Let her know. You can try to reach out to baby brother to see if he'll take you in, or anyone else.
It's not my brother, it's Mr. Valdez. His dad, that would be the person that would be able to take care of me and everything like that.
Okay, we'll call. When I go back there, I'll get the number and call.
Okay? All right.